Cash App released another tag last week while I was out of town. I've been covering all of these, so I figure I should talk about this one as well. This one is called the Cash App Heart. Little heart with flames on it, and these also include a first edition tag if you buy the first release for each design. Like the other ones, this design is pretty cool as well, and it was very limited. They sold out almost instantly. Now here's the crazy thing that we need to talk about: the resale market for Cash App tags. So far, Cash App has released 3 of these: the wand, the mini card, and the heart. If you're unfamiliar with these, they're a little accessory, like a keychain that you can pay with, so you don't need to bring your card with you. You don't need to bring your phone with you. You could just use this accessory to pay. I think these are cool because there's no other finance company attempting to make finance cool. So Cash App is kind of paving the way with this. Now, these are limited drops. If you're on top of the notifications, you can probably get one. And then the crazy thing is they're actually reselling on eBay. So I think these cost, it's either $25 or $30. And then you can see these are reselling for like 150, 90, 99, 74, 160 for the wand. But I don't advise buying one aftermarket or from a reseller because of this one reason. This is the FAQ directly from the tags page within their mobile app where you can order these. Can I order a tag for someone else? No, when you order a tag, it is linked to your account and can't be transferred to another person or account. So technically, if you buy it and you never link it, the other person can own it as a collectible, but I don't think they can actually activate it. So you would basically just be buying this accessory as a collectible. You can't use it, which is fine. That could be cool. Could display it on your shelf like something back here. But yeah, there's the info on the latest Cash App tag drop and the crazy resale market. Let us know what you think about this down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.